Takeya patented Deluxe Cold Brew Coffee Maker, 1 quart, white. Product information. Brand: Takeya. Capacity: 1 quarts. Price: $22.39. Color: white. Special feature: permanent filter, pitcher, durable, leak-proof. Coffee maker type: coffee infuser. Product dimensions: 4.1 dx 6.1 inches wx 9.25 h. Material: Triton. Filter type: reusable. Specific uses for product: cold brew. Included components: includes pitcher, ultra-fine mesh filter. Instructions. Voltage: 110 volts. Model name: patented Deluxe Cold Brew Coffee Maker. Number of items: 1. Human interface input, buttons. Package type: standard packaging. Unit count: 1.0 count. Item weight: 12.7 ounces. Manufacturer: Takeya. ASIN B08BH5BGDW. Country of origin: USA. Item model number: 10314. Date first available: July 1, 2020. Warranty and support. If you'd like a copy of the manufacturer's warranty for a product found on Amazon.com, you can contact the manufacturer directly or visit their website for more information. Manufacturer's warranties may not apply in all cases, depending on factors like the use of the product, where the product was purchased, or who you purchased the product from. Please review the warranty carefully, and contact the manufacturer if you have any questions.